Hey Brenda, you got any updates about the oceans yet?
I actually do have some updates. I might have discovered something deep below the ocean.
What is it?
It says a massive pile of rocks 700 feet wide was discovered deep in the waters around 100 miles off the shores of Hawaii.
Why would a pile of... Oh wait a minute, something isn't right.
Kane, I don't think those are a pile of rocks. I think it might be a resurrected dinosaur.
Oh dear God, it's ascending from the ocean.
We have to alert the world right now.
It's the thirstiest time.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, along with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At around 11:15 a.m. Hawaiian Aleutian Standard Time, there had been many sightings of an unidentified sea creature ascending from the surface around 100 miles off the coast of Honolulu. It is unknown if the sea creature is considered a threat to us or not, but local authorities are looking into the situation more closely as time progresses. At this time, all residents in the Honolulu metropolitan area are advised to stay inside your shelters and not go outside. Close, lock, and barricade all windows and doors, seal all cracks with tape, glue, or damp towels. In case the creature is considered a threat to humanity, be prepared to evacuate the state of Hawaii. The U.S. National Guard will be sent to investigate and monitor the situation. Martial law will go into place tonight. Anyone caught outside during curfew hours will be arrested and charged. Stay tuned to your station for more information and details.
Don't stop Mary Pants. Part of next 25-week holiday. Tonight at 8.
Merry early Christmas!
Yeehaw! Let's keep it here.
Let's go Polly Pocket Compacts. It's a Polly pool party, hidden places to fun. Splashing in the hot tub, Polly stick anywhere with Polly.
Immediate evacuation for the state of Hawaii. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, along with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The sea creature mentioned earlier has completely risen up from the ocean and is now beginning to destroy the city of Honolulu, putting many lives at risk. It has been confirmed that the creature is in fact a threat to human life. It is also confirmed that the sea creature is identified as a Tyrannosaurus rex, T-Rex in short terms, a species of the extinct dinosaurs that once roamed the Earth 65 million years ago. Now it's back and it's destroying human civilization. The U.S. National Guard has been called in to help terminate the T-Rex. At this time, all residents in the state of Hawaii are advised to evacuate to the mainland United States immediately. Pack up all essential supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, toiletries, your mobile device, and a battery-powered radio with you. Evacuation ports have been opened to take in everyone in the evacuation zone, and many boats will take them to safety in the mainland. If you don't evacuate, you are putting your life and others in great danger, possibly certain death. This isn't something to debate against. Evacuate now. Hawaii has become a no-go zone and will be closed from the world until the situation gets taken care of. Anyone who tries to get inside the island will be arrested and charged. Stay tuned for more information and details regarding this deadly situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the California State Police, the North American Aerospace Defense Command, along with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At approximately 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, there were witnesses of 2 more dinosaurs ascending from the ocean around 70 miles off the coast of the city of San Francisco. These 2 dinosaurs are identified as a velociraptor, a dinosaur species that roamed the Earth during the late Cretaceous period around 75 to 71 million years ago, and an Allosaurus, a species that also roamed the Earth around 155 to 145 million years ago. Now they have returned, and is now causing catastrophic damage to the coastal areas of California. As of this time, all residents in the San Francisco metropolitan area are advised to seek an underground shelter immediately. Pack up all essential supplies with you such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, your mobile device, toiletries, and a battery-powered radio with you. Do not look at the dinosaurs. If you make eye contact, run away as fast as you can, and hide in a spot where they can't see you. If they see you, they will eat you up, causing certain death. Around 4,000 people have already died, and another 5,000 people are injured since the beginning of this horrible event. Quarantine has been put into effect until the situation gets taken care of. California has been sealed from the world. Anyone who tries to sneak in or out will be arrested and charged. The U.S. military is retaliating against the dinosaur attack. Stay tuned for more information and details regarding this deadly situation.
这是来自中国政府的信息。中国沿海地区的居民立即离开这些地区。有报道称，人们在离上海海岸约30英里处上升，被2只恐龙吃掉，建筑物和房屋在几秒钟内被摧毁。大约600人死于这些巨大的野兽，1730人受伤。以下是在这场灾难性事件中幸存下来的说明。跑到一个恐龙看不到你的安全的地方，一直待在地下。如果你的房子被这些恐龙之一摧毁，尽你所能保护自己。如果你储存武器或更多，可能会使用致命武力。这不是一种选择。现在撤离到中国西部，不撤离会使自己和其他生命处于严重危险之中，可能肯定会死亡。中国人民解放军已被派往中国受影响的沿海地区，以反击这些对基础设施造成巨大破坏的恐龙。禁言令已经生效，如果你在宵禁时间在外面被抓，你将被逮捕。请继续关注有关这一危险情况的更多信息和细节。祝你生存好运，荣耀归于中华人民共和国。
This is a message from the Chinese government. Residents in coastal areas of China, get out of the areas right now. There had been reports of people getting eaten up by 2 dinosaurs ascending about 30 miles off the coast of Shanghai, and buildings and homes getting obliterated within a matter of seconds. Around 600 people were killed from these giant beasts and 1,730 people were injured. Here are instructions to survive this catastrophic event. Run away to a safe place where the dinosaurs cannot see you. Remain underground at all times. If your house gets destroyed by one of these dinosaurs, do everything you can do to protect yourself, probably using lethal force if you're storing a weapon or more. This is not an option. Evacuate to Western China now. Refraining from evacuating will put yourself and other lives in grave danger, possibly certain death. The People's Liberation Army has been sent to affected coastal regions of China to fight back against these dinosaurs that are causing so much damage to the infrastructure. Martial law has been put into effect. If you're caught outside during curfew hours, you will be arrested. Stay tuned for more information and details about this dangerous situation. Good luck surviving. Glory to the People's Republic of China.
We'll see what happened next.
Back on Earth, a trio of out-of-this-world travelers land safely after months in space. Their mission to the ISS finally over.
And the rockets blast off, getting another big...
This is an emergency alert. Inbound nuclear missiles have been detected. You have approximately 4 minutes to find shelter. Communications have been severely disrupted. The number of casualties and the extent of the damage are not yet known. Stay tuned to this channel, stay calm, and stay indoors. This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. Three-minute warning. Two-minute warning. One-minute warning. 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Emergency action termination. It is now over. The dinosaurs that have been destroying human civilization has been incinerated from the nuclear fire brought by the explosion. The threat is no more. I repeat, the threat is no more. However, it is still not safe to go outside due to the mass amount of radiation spreading around the states of California and Hawaii. If you are still in your shelters, you still need to stay there for another 2 weeks, until it is safe to go out. This now concludes this message. This is the emergency alert system, signing off. Goodbye.